This is Annual Quality Stocks. Today's Monday, March 21st, 2011, and today we're going to take a look at EVRM Group. This is a pink sheet company trading our ticker EVRM. See another example of the rounded bottoms that we always talk about. Nice look to it, kind of a cup and handle sort of pattern it's got going on. See a solid uptrend in the MACD, broken right through there. But on any retrace, we always look for try and hold zero and make the turn. We reference it in a lot of videos. It's exactly what it's doing. Histogram trending back towards zero. Looks like we're going to get another bullish cross. Very similar look to the PPO. ADX is kind of flatlined, pulled itself back a little bit. Now what we'll look for is the uptrend to continue, this positive DI to bounce off this area and snap back upward, maintain the bullish direction. Quick move in the 7 MFI, snapping back up through the 14 and 21 on Friday with the buying pressure. Long terms holding over top of 50. That's exactly what you want to see. There was the retrace and accumulation distribution. Was on a bit of a slide. Kind of went sideways through the trend line. That's not that big of an issue. What I do like about it is the fact that it held this bottom level, and now looks like it's trying to curl back upward. Jake and money flow. Nice trend back towards zero. Break of zero. Buying pressures overcome selling pressure. The CCI, we'll want to see this get back up through zero. The official buy signal per definition is not until the break of 100 for CCI followers. But right now, just seeing it turn and start heading back north is a positive sign. Full still, big retrace. Slight uptrend, break back through 20, showing some positive momentum. Tricks, much like the MACD and PPO. See the retrace, get back down to more reasonable levels, try and hold zero, make the rotation, and make the turn. RSIs, break back up through 50. Good buying pressure these last 2 days. That shot the RSIs back up. Long terms, held over top of 50. Again, that's bullish. It's what you want to see. Chart has a lot of good things going for it, not to mention just this big rounded bottom. That's why we talk about them all the time. We'll see it coming through like this, breaking through that 50-day. It'll go on radar then to start trying to put together a breakout, pop through some resistance levels, and make a move upward. It's exactly what this chart did. It's retraced, held the majority of the gains off the bottom, holding that 200-day moving average, which is bullish. And here comes the 50-day heading towards a golden cross. So some very strong things going on through there. The support at 006 must hold. It gets a bottom support here at 0055. It could possibly dip to there. But holding 006 holds that 200-day moving average, and classic TA, this used to be a resistance point that it broke through right through here. So holding 006 is a strong support we want to see hold. Any pullbacks break through the 50-day and such, it'll pull some more support down here at 0045, but I'd be a little bit more skeptical of this chart if it couldn't hold 006. On the upside, needs to get through 007, right there in front of it, closed right next to it. You can see it 0068 on Friday. It's a resistance point. It's had trouble getting through it recently as well. That's going to be a key point. If it can break the 007, it's got a pretty good shot at going up here and testing the top and trying to make a new high by getting through 009 and then trying to get into pennyland. Of course, the penny marker is always a psychological barrier. It's a little bit of resistance based on historic trading patterns. So we'll look for the penny marker to be tough. Of course, that's huge gains from where it is, more than 50% from where it closed on Friday. The task at hand, at first and foremost, is to get through 007 resistance, and then go up here and try and test the top. Of course, long-term goals will put you all the way down here, trying to make a new high at 013, but that's off in the distance, not something you look for tomorrow. It's just the idea of pointing out that that will be a resistance point if it can make these other moves through these other major resistance levels. So I'm going to have my eye on the EVRM chart this week, and see how it performs, see if it can hold support, take out resistance, look for volume to stay strong. 2.6 million shares traded. The more volume, the better to take out resistance levels. As always, merely my interpretation of the EVRM Group chart. This is Andy with QualityStocks. Thank you for watching and trade smart.